So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Talk, and this is Pragati Mishra, and today is day 2 of English learning journey. So, hey guys, in my background, there is a noise which is continuously coming from a bike. And what if I wait for that bike to stop that noise so that I can start my video? Then hopefully it will ruin my precious time. So guys, sometime I waited, then I start recording. First of all, I would like to inform you that why I started this journey, just to increase my fluency, so that I while uploading this video I can talk, and I can talk in front of camera. uh, Obviously, with regular improvement in pronunciation, learning new words, whatever I learn, I will practice it in front of camera. Second thing, I would like to tell you that there are so many peoples like me who are beginner or having quite good English, but still they are not practicing it, and they wants to learn English language with very as a pro speaker. But um, if you are making mistakes while speaking English, then it's natural, and making mistakes is natural. There is no one is perfect, and if you wait for any perfect time, then uh, the perfect time never comes. Yes, notice this. And second thing is, consistency is more important than fluency. I hope if I am practicing in front of camera daily with you, it means consistency maintains. So many times I started to learn from grammar books, but grammar books alone are not important for the fluency. So practice is the basic key. Yes, learning any language requires patience, practice, dedication. So a small effort, your small effort can make a big difference in your long run. So guys, today is for it, and if you are watching till now, then it means you are having any part of your journey. So keep liking my video and practice with me. Wherever you are, please start. So keep growing, keep learning. Bye bye.